Have you ever thought you can wash your entire car with no hoses and no need for external power anywhere you are? Yeah, I know, it sounds pulled out of a sci-fi movie.
But then we have the Linyo H1 in the studio today, which promises to wash your car, provide a scratch-free, professional-grade wash in 20 minutes, using only half a gallon of water or less than 2 liters.
And it also comes with a vacuum attachment, so you can clean the inside of your car as well. Crazy, right? So if you are a DIYer, or maybe you have a small business providing car wash services at customers' homes, this product is for you. Before we check out all its features, let's see what comes included in the box. On top we have the user manual and the quick start guide. Here is a nano ceramic coating included in the box, very nice. Then we have the car wash liquid, a microfiber towel to finish wiping off the car, a sponge brush, the lithium battery, the vacuum motor, a charging brick, and a wiper vacuum attachment. These were the accessories that were on top. So I'm going to continue removing the foam. Then we have the main unit in a protective bag. Let's see what else is in the box. We have a cleaning brush and the charging brick. So while the battery is charging, we can take a look around the device. Right on the front, we can see a button for self-clean. Also, each of these categories has a light. We also have a legend here with the meaning of every light. There's also some instructions here for the pole, which I'm going to show you a bit later. Also on the front, we can see 2 big casters. These can be used in conjunction with the pole, so you can tilt it and then drag it after you. Extremely silent if you need to reposition it, for example. If we turn it around to the side, here on the right side we have the vacuum motor, which we saw in the unboxing. You just line up the unlock line with the padlock here, and then you just twist it clockwise. Same thing for the battery, which is now on charge. But another feature of the H1 is you can power it from mains voltage if you run out of battery. There's an adapter that's going to come in the kit that is a placeholder for the battery. You insert it just the same, so turn clockwise. And then there's an XT60 plug down here for which you use the included power brick. So you can power it for an indefinite amount of time without running out of battery. In the same compartment, we see a small attachment for the vacuum for crevices. That's super tiny and slim, but it also has a brush so you don't have to damage some soft surfaces. Let's put this back in and continue the tour. On the back we see the 2 tanks for water, dirty and clean water. For this you just grab the handle, press down on the button and you pull them out. On the left side, something pretty neat to be included. It's a towel with some elastic hangers so it doesn't go anywhere. This is included so you can wipe off the excess water that's left from the vacuuming washing process. And this holder place is really nice because you don't need to leave the towel anywhere on the ground or something like that, getting the risk of putting dirt into the towel and then rubbing that against your car. So having a place to put it is very nice and thoughtful. By the way, these 2 side latches here on the other side, they close with magnets. Super nice and satisfying. Finally, on the inside of this we have the places for the cleaning solution and the ceramic wax, as well as the pole I was mentioning earlier, which after you extend it serves dual purpose. You can either insert it in here, turn clockwise, and then use it as a handle for the H1, or it can serve as an extension for the cleaning head. So once you have this all the way extended, up in here we clip the cleaning head and this can be used to extend your reach. Let's put the pole back in its place. That brings us to the star of the show. The cleaning head has this brush here that picks up all the foam and the dirt. You can see there's a vacuum part in here that sucks up all the foam and the dirt that's on the brush. So you're not just continuously rubbing that against your car. And another vacuum wiper here that also picks up the excess water. Finally, we have the interior vacuum attachment with a filter on the inside that sits nicely in here, and the self-cleaning bucket that works in conjunction with the self-cleaning button on the front. After you're done, you just insert this back in its place, hold the self-cleaning button, and it will clean the brush, so you don't have to do it manually. Now that we saw everything that's included with the H1, let's take it outside and go wash my car. So I'm here with the Linyo H1 and we're gonna go ahead and clean my car. We're gonna get some close-up shots so you see how well it's working and how the foaming process happens. If you have some harder to access areas, you can use the extending pole and then the top of the Linyo as a step stool. So you just go right up on it, start the foaming process. And the same for the cleaning process. And because you can use it on any flat surface, glass is also no problem. And again, with the included towel, you just wipe off the excess water. Once one section is foamed up, we stop it and then we press and hold the second power button. That's going to start on the suction. As you can see, even with the irregular shape of the hood, it has no problem sucking up all the foam. And because none of the foam is actually dripping on the ground, this is safe for the environment, as none of the detergent is going to make it into the ground. Of course, this is not going to work on your wheels, rims, or the grills of your car because they're not flat surfaces, but everything else is fair game. And after you're done with the cleaning process, just put the cleaning head back in its socket. And there's a button on the front to start self-cleaning.
Start self-cleaning.
And after the outside clean is done, you can also go ahead and clean your interior. So in the H1, there is a vacuum attachment. You just remove the motor from the base, install it on the vacuum attachment, and then you install the battery onto the motor. And once you turn on the battery, you can also adjust the speed of the vacuum. In the same area with the motor and the battery, we also have an attachment for crevices, so you can get into some really tight spaces, like next to the seat here. Not only the seats, but you can also get next to the handbrake, for example. So this will make sure you can get a thorough and proper clean of your interior as well. So after one day of using the Linyo H1 and washing my car with it, I have a few thoughts. After finishing cleaning, the battery was right under 50% power, so that means one full battery will last you an entire outside and inside clean, which is good. The included microfiber towel here on the side is very handy, as I mentioned in the video as well. Let's see now how much water it actually used. So from a full tank, as you can see, it's maybe a quarter left. So their claims are correct. It's going to use less than half a gallon of water, or 2 liters. Let's check out the dirty water tank. Yeah, it's dirty, all right. It's not even transparent. You cannot see through it. Let's put this back in. In conclusion, it does what it promises to do. It's going to clean your car, and they are upfront about the fact that it cannot clean grills, rims, or any uneven surfaces. Of course, it's a flat cleaning device. If you have a business doing car detailing, maybe at home, or you are a DIYer that just enjoys washing his car without needing to go to an actual car wash, this product is for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, drop down a comment if you would use something like the Linyo H1, and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like this one. See you next time!